All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing the power steering pump on a 2005 Honda Pilot. This will also apply to your Odysseys, your Ridgelines, probably some of your TLs, your CLs, MDX, but I will put a list in the description below to all the vehicles that this actually covers. Your power steering pump is right there. Sits right there. Two 12mm bolts hold this on. You need to remove this 10mm, this 10mm. You need to remove this hose. This is your high pressure hose. This is your low pressure hose, which goes right to the power steering reservoir. You get the two 12mm bolts out. And then this is, I believe this is a 17mm nut. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And you have to transfer it over the gear over to the new one. But first thing we need to do is loosen up the the drive belt, the serpentine belt, S belt. And the way you do that, let me get a flashlight here. The rear bolt is right there where the laser is pointing to. The front bolt is right there, right down there. So I'll get a 1/4 inch 12mm with a tiny little extension and a short socket and get out that way. But to get the belt loose, so down here you have your tensioner, and it's right, the bolt you need to get to is right there. Hoping you guys can see that. It's right there. And that, you'll actually push that towards the firewall, and then you're able to loosen up your belt. Try to keep tension on the belt because you don't want the rest of this, not tension, but you're gonna get the belt off, and then you can wrap it around, try to wrap it around something to keep tension on it. I might zip tie it to the front here, to the front core support, just so I can keep tension on, and that I don't have to fish it around the crankshaft pulley or the alternator or the AC compressor and any of that stuff. So if you disconnect this line and remove this low pressure line first and get this out of the way, it'll give you more room to be able to get the drive belt tensioner loose and get the drive belt out of the way. But just be careful, have a rag ready when you remove this, because when there'll be power steering fluid in here and you don't want it to go everywhere. So get a rag, old t-shirt, anything to catch the power steering fluid. Okay, got a rag. Get your pair of pliers here. Pull this off. If this is stuck on here, you can always grab your pliers and grab onto the hose. You'll feel where the plastic is inside there. So just go past it and then turn the hose, just like this. If it's stuck on, break it loose that way. Shouldn't have any problems though, because it is plastic. So I'm going to try to take it out and leave it under the AC line here. But this is one quick move kind of thing. I don't want to get a whole bunch of power steering fluid onto the new belt. Okay. It did have some spill out. I hate power steering fluid. I hate power steering fluid and I hate transmission fluid. Alright, so I got I picked up this tool on Amazon. It's it says HON 14192014, so it stands for 14mm, 19mm. I'll put a link in the description below where you guys can pick this up on Amazon. But it's a real good tool to go down here and loosen up the drive belt tensioner. And why I wanted to remove the lower belt first is it just gives me a little bit more room to be able to move this thing out of the way. So like I said, you push it towards the firewall, gives you slack to be able to pull the belt off. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to pop off these two 10mm bolts, and then we'll hit the two 12mm on the side. I'm hoping this belt does not get in the way of that. So if it does, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it here. I'm sorry, off screen. I'm just going to pull it up here, try to secure it with something. Keep it up out of the way so I don't have to fetch everything. Just makes it that much more easy. If you guys are doing a lot of these, I would recommend buying this tool on Amazon. Like I said, I'll put a link in the description below. Once again, try to move this up as quick as you can. Get your rag ready. Pull this straight up and out. Got a little bit of power steering fluid out in the way. Okie dokie, so let's get the two 12mm bolts out of there. So this is my setup. I have a ratchet I picked up from O'Reilly Auto Parts, a long ratchet, 1-inch, 1/4 inch extension with a 1/4 inch 12mm bolt or socket. So come back here. So just going back here with the 12 millimeter socket. Trying to work it loose that way. There's one bolt. Okay, for the next part, for getting the pulley off the power steering pump, you're going to need an air tool. Now, if you don't have an air tool, you can go to any little independent garage and ask them to break it loose. Bring the new pump with you so they can run the pulley onto the new pump. Just give them like a $20 bill, whatever the technician does it for you, and it's out. So take it to your oil receptacle, turn it upside down, catch any oil that comes out of it. So that's a 19 millimeter. I'm going to get a 1/2 inch impact gun and break that loose. Okay, got a 19 millimeter. Just grab this, bust it loose. Pulley slides right off. Got the new one here from CarQuest. This is the best price I found. It's already got the pipe here for the low pressure. Here's the high pressure side. It might come with a new seal. Does, I don't know. We'll check inside there. Part number 98544-1 Charlie Quebec. It's got the OEM part number 56110 Romeo David Apple 01. Date code 718. This is supposed to be a brand new pump, not remanufactured, but brand new. Let's see, does it give me the other seal? No. Okay. So put the, make sure you install it the right way. Goes into place. Bring your nut back in. Already tell you lefty loosey. And I'm going to just use the gun and just give it a light, gentle kiss. I'll bring in my gun, have it on low setting. Ready to tell you lefty loosey. That's it. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, now I'm going to install it. Installation is a reverse of removal. I'm not going to show you the boring part, but it's not really that hard. You have a bolt there, and just I'm actually going to, when I put this on, I'm going to actually put power steering fluid right into the pump first before I put the line on, and make sure that this is full. Rotate a little bit, get some of the air out, put a little bit more, rotate this a little bit more, get some more air out, and just continue that until I don't see any more air until this fills up. Alright guys, there you go. This shouldn't take you very long to do. Please consider subscribing to Bundys Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bundysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.